All right. माधुरी ने बोला नमस्कार और हम लोग बोलते हैं स्वागत है आप सबों का. This is returns, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so I'm Arun. I'm going to be your quizzer, and Amita will be doing our scoring. And here's a quick look at the rules. I just wanted to call it like a Satte Pe Satta style of quiz, because we have 5 rounds and every round has 7 questions. And Amita, I did increase it to by 1 question, but I'm sure we'll be able to get through all of them.
You'll be fine.
Okay, and pretty easy. I mean, you guys must be all used to the buzzer now. If you know the answer, don't wait. Hit the buzzer first. You don't have to wait for the question to complete. You can hit the buzzer as soon as you know the answer. If you had seen the Friday session, people are really fast. It's just a matter of seconds. It's not the question of whether you know the answer or not. It's the question of how fast you can respond. So warm up your fingers. Twiddle your thumbs, or whatever makes your fingers work fast. And then, like, you know, obviously 1 point for getting the right answer. We will reduce a point if you give a wrong answer or if you give a no answer, because time is of essence. And if you had accidentally buzzed without actually knowing the answer, that will not be fair to the other person. So you will get, so we want to make sure that you hit the buzzer only when you know the answer. We'll only be giving about 2 to 3 seconds for you to answer, because that's how long it's going to take, because otherwise, you know, like you're probably not going to need more than that if you're good at this. And every time you get a turn, make sure you only guess once. If you guess the wrong answer and then I say it's not right, then, you know, that's the end of it. The chance will go to the next person and you wouldn't get to like take a second guess. Scorekeeper Amita's decision is final. If she says that someone got the point, then it's that person who got the point. So she's the boss. All right, and then quickly going on to a couple of trial questions. This is just to make sure that you can, you know, work with the buzzer. Amita, if the buzzer is clear, then I'll, you know, it is clear. So what is Big B's full name? If you know the answer, you click the buzzer. And all right, yeah, you get the idea. Yep. Since Swati was the first one to buzz, she gets to answer. So that's how it goes. And then we'll do a couple of more. Probably we don't need it because it's pretty obvious. And we can quickly jump on to the first round. All right, here we go.
I love you, किरण.
तो इस राउंड का नाम है किरण, क्योंकि जब कोई भी बोलता किरण, तो आप जानते हैं कि ये शाहरुख का डायलॉग है डर से. तो इस राउंड के सारे सवाल भी ऐसे ही रहेंगे. You would be hearing a small audio clip, and it'll be from like a famous movie or a popular movie, you know, sometime in the past. And you'd have to guess 2 things. You would have to guess who the actor is, and you would have to guess which movie it is. Both are important, because in some questions, or most of the questions, the actor is probably going to be obvious, so the movie is really important. Okay. And with that, Amita, clear buzzers. Can we go to the first question? Yes, we can. I think we can. All right. Question number 1 coming up.
हम तुम्हें मारेंगे और जरूर मारेंगे, लेकिन वो बंदूक भी हमारी होगी, गोली भी हमारी होगी,
राजकुमार सौदागर
भी हमारा होगा.
Wonderful, Puneet. Good going. Excellent answer. Yes, it is Rajkumar from the movie Saudagar. Good job, Puneet. Quickly moving on to the second question.
खांडविलकर को कल्टी दिया, अमोश शुक्ला गया, गुरुनाथ तुम्हें ऊपर इधर भाव कलेक्शन जिताया कौन? बीकू महात्रे. मुंबई का किंग कौन? बीकू महात्रे.
मनोज वाजपेयी सत्या.
Great. Good start, Puneet. All right. Yes, it was Manoj Bajpayee from Satya. Okay, Amita, will you take care of clearing the buzzer, or should I
Yes.
give you a cue?
Buzzer cleared.
Okay, okay, all right. All right, moving on to question number 3.
मैं तुम्हें भूल जाऊं ये हो नहीं सकता और तुम मुझे भूल जाओ ये मैं होने नहीं दूंगा
SJ, Sachin.
सुनील शेट्टी. धड़कन.
Awesome response. It kind of shows your loyalty to Bollywood, if you know the answer to that one. It was popular at one point, but for it to be popular 18 years later, that's good. Good stuff, guys. So the answer is Dhadkan, Sunil Shetty. Next question coming up on your screen.
लेकिन ये मत भूलिएगा सेठ दीनदयाल, जिस दिन देश का भूखा बचपन जवानी पर आएगा उस दिन दिल में एक बदले की भावना होगी जो आप जैसे चिल्लाकर कहेंगे फाड़ दो ऐसे भेड़ियों को, चीर दो ऐसे गद्दारों को, और तब
Stop.
Yeah, Shatrughan Sinha and Vishwanath.
I'm afraid that's only half correct, Puneet. You don't get the marks for the actor because that was obvious. Do we have another one someone else who buzzed?
Yes, there was, but we cleared the buzzer before that. It's Arun.
Oh, okay. Sorry, that was me. I accidentally hit it.
Okay.
Can you clear it so that someone else can buzz?
Yeah, it's Arun now.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, Arun, Ekta. Sorry, Ekta.
Yeah, it's Shatrughan Sinha, Kalicharan.
Kalicharan.
Yes, you are right. It is.
सरकार तो क्या, भगवान भी आपकी मदद नहीं कर सकेगी.
Maybe I should have played
बातें करनी तो मुझे भी
the whole clip.
लेकिन एक बात मत
No, I think we should stop as soon as they buzz.
Yes,
कि सारा
Okay.
Otherwise, they get an advantage.
got it. Yeah. Okay. All right. I'll keep that in
All right.
mind.
Clear buzzer?
Okay.
Okay.
But good
Buzzer
going,
clear?
guys. Buzzer clear. Question number 5.
चड्ढा समझाओ इसे, समझाओ. ऐसे खिलौने बाजार में बहुत बिकते हैं मगर इसे खेलने के लिए जो
Sunny
जगह
Deol,
चाहिए ना,
Sunny Deol, Damini.
वो दुनिया की किसी बात
Perfect, Puneet. आपका आंसर केवल जीनियस ही नहीं, इंडिजीनियस भी था. Thank you so much. Yes, it was Sunny Deol from Damini. Question number 6.
हमारा नाम लिखा.
कौन हो तुम?
हम भी वो हैं जो कभी किसी के पीछे नहीं खड़े होते.
Ekta.
हाँ, खड़े हो जाते हैं, लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है.
Ekta.
Amitabh Bachchan, Diwar.
I'm afraid that's not right.
Amitabh Bachchan, Trishul.
Trishul. Okay.
SJ, Sachin. Sachin is next.
Amitabh Bachchan, Trishul.
I'm sorry, Amitabh Bachchan, what?
Trishul.
No, I'm sorry, that's not correct too.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Hold on.
Okay,
Next
okay,
is Puneet.
only one guess, guys. Only one guess.
Next is Puneet.
No, I already said it. I had the same answer. Amitabh Bachchan and Trishul.
Okay. So if you don't have anyone else, maybe what do we do?
No, we have Ashok.
Okay.
Amitabh Bachchan, Coolie.
No,
Nahi.
it's Amitabh.
Hold on, I need to catch up with the scoring. Next is Swati.
Don.
Amitabh Don.
Nahi.
-1. Hold on. Last is Germany.
Can I try once more?
Hold on. Germany's turn first.
It's Amitabh, we know, and Namak Halal.
Oh, no.
Nahi. Nahi.
Okay, I think
Everybody-
everyone answered.
Kalia.
Yes, that is right. But who gets the point, Amita?
No
The
one
Kali-
gets a point because everyone clicked and
Oh,
everyone got a -1.
नंबरदार,
Okay.
भर दे ताली.
Yes, it is Amitabh Bachchan, no doubt about it. But the movie is Kalia. That was good. Good going, guys. Keep trying. But yeah, unfortunately, that's how the game works. You do get a minus point if you don't guess it right, but that should not hold you back. So that's good. All right, moving on to the last
Yeah,
question
Gagan.
of the Kiran round. Okay, are we ready, Amita?
Yes.
Okay, question number 7 coming up.
यस, मुझे आपसे कुछ बात करनी है. आपको अंदर आने किसने दिया? जाइए बाहर और पब्लिक रिलेशन ऑफिसर से मिलिए. मैं आपसे मिलने आया हूँ.
एकता.
आपको ये बताने कि आप क्या.
This is Anupam Kher, and the movie is Saransh.
Awesome. Straight out of the park. Wonderful answer. Yes, it is Anupam Kher's National Award winning debut movie, Saransh. Good going, guys. Good going. That brings us to the end of the first round. We do have 4 more rounds to go. So without much further ado, we'll go on to the next round. And maybe after round 2, Amita, we can just quickly tell who the top 3 are. And if they're kind of close, then, you know.
They know.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Round number 2.
अंग्रेजी में कहते हैं कि I love you. गुजराती माँ बोले तने प्रेम करूँ छू.
Okay, so the name of this round is अंग्रेजी मीडियम. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि हिंदी मूवी फेमस है बड़े बड़े नामों के लिए. तो अगर मैं DDLJ बोलूंगा तो आप जानते हैं कि मैं किस मूवी की बात कर रहा हूँ. मगर ऐसे काफी मूवी हैं जिनका नाम मतलब पूरा इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट भी बसना हो. तो this round is about what you're going to see on your screen is like an abbreviated version, like let's say DDLJ, and you'd have to guess what the movie name is. Okay, that's it. That's the only thing you need to guess, the movie name. So if everyone's ready and if the buzzer is cleared, here comes question number 1. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. This is a different round. I'm sorry, I was blanking out. So here you would see lyrics in English, and you would have to guess them, and you would have to tell which Hindi song this is about.
Gemini first.
मेरा जीवन कोरा कागज कोरा ही रह गया.
Thank you so much for singing it out. I almost feel like giving you a bonus point for that. And sorry for the wrong introduction, guys. Yes, it is Mera Jeevan Kura Kaagaz Kura Hi Reh Gaya from Kura Kaagaz. So that's what this round is about. You would see lyrics in English and you would have to guess what song it is, and with the name of the movie if possible. But I think the song itself, especially if you can sing it out, that's great. That'll be entertainment for a lot of us. Question 2.
Ekta.
राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम इन दोनों के. That's it.
All right, you got it. It's from what is it? Ram Leela. All right, question number 3. Hopefully this is going to be a little tricky. There you go. Oops. Oh, sorry, my bad. I think this is the same one.
First
so
one.
We'll probably have one less question in this round. Quizmaster's mistake. We'll just quickly move on to question number 4. The buzzers are cleared, Amita?
Buzzer clear, yes.
Okay, there you go.
Swati. Swati, are you muted?
तो बताए. Oh my God, what shall I do?
Next is Ekta.
क्या करूं क्या ना करूं ये कैसी मुश्किल है, कोई तो बता दे इसका हल ओ मेरे भाई.
You're right, but I'm not sure who got it right, Amita.
Ekta got it right.
Okay.
Sorry,
Okay.
Swati, it took a little time. We said we're going to give you 2-3 seconds.
Okay. Swati, maybe you can catch up with the next question. All right. Next question coming up on the screen right here.
मैं निकला बदले और रास्ते पे वो सड़क पे एक मोड़ आया.
अरे वाह.
Very good.
वाह मुकुल, yes.
Yes. That was, I mean, was not only correct, it was pretty quick. I wasn't
Yeah.
too sure about that. So good going. Amita, who got the point?
Swati.
Okay. All right. You did catch up, Swati. Great. Question number 6.
Swati.
कुछ ना कहो कुछ
क्या बात है? क्या बात है? नहीं गाइए गाइए प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
क्या सुनना है मुझको पता है तुमको पता है समय का ये पल थम सा गया है.
Thank you so much. That was really wonderful. And yes, that was the song from 1942, A Love Story. All right, the next one. Sorry, did you clear the buzzer? You already have the question. here.
Buzzer is Gemini.
Sorry, we forgot.
Next is Ekta. I'm sorry, Gemini.
नैनो की मत सुनियो रे नैना ठग लेंगे समथिंग समथिंग.
क्या बात है? क्या बात है? Yeah. एकदम सिक्सर
You get
मतलब.
points for something, something.
Yeah. Awesome. Good job. Again, pretty quick. So that's really good. Okay, so that brings us to the end of Angrezi medium round. Sorry for getting the introduction wrong. The round that I was talking about will come. I think it'll be the next one. I'm not sure, but that brings us to the end of the round. Amita, can you quickly say who's
Sure.
leading?
Sure. So Ekta is at 4. Puneet has 2 points. Swati has 0 because there were 2 negatives. So good, you're not on negative. Ashok is -1. Gemini is -1. Sachin is 0.
Okay. All right. Ekta, good going. But guys, we still have 3 more rounds to go, so I'm sure each one of you can catch up.
Yeah.
It's all the movies that we have watched so many times. All right. So without much delay, get into the Ankhe round. All right. So just as you have seen, this is Ankhe round. तो इस राउंड में आपको देखने को मिलेगा किसी सेलिब्रिटी की आंखें और आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि कौन है वो. मतलब could be anyone, right? तो first question coming up. There you go.
Sachin.
Shraddha Kapoor.
Awesome, Nidhi. Wonderful answer. Yes, it is Shraddha Kapoor.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, question number 2. Ready?
Sachin.
Siddharth Malhotra.
Oh, wow. Nidhi, this is truly your round.
Look at that. Okay.
Okay. All right. Moving on to question number 3.
Puneet.
Bipasha Basu.
Nahi. Sorry. Close. Nahi, close nahi. Nahi.
Next is Swati.
Deepika Padukone.
Yeah, wonderful. Yes. Puneet, the reason I said close is because I also thought it was Bipasha Basu. When
I also
first.
thought it was Bipasha.
All right. Okay. Someone told me that she's probably wearing contacts in this, and this is not her real eye color. I'm not sure, but anyways, someone got it right. So yeah, moving on to question number 4. Here you go.
Swati.
I think it's Sanjay Dutt.
Nahi.
Next, Sachin.
Irfan Khan.
Wonderful. Yes, it is Irfan Khan. May God bless his soul. And yes, so that is Irfan Khan. Kind of the same droopy eyes as Sanjay Dutt. So Swati, I think that's where you thought it was Sanjay Dutt. Question number 5.
Sachin.
Varun Dhawan.
Wow. Nidhi, I think this round is going to take you to the top, huh? Yes, you are right. It is Varun Dhawan. And question number 6.
Sachin.
शाहिद कपूर.
सही है? Yeah.
You creamed this round.
Yes. All right, the last question. Last question for this round.
Puneet.
Shatrughan Sinha.
Ekdam sahi. It's funny how you don't really need any other features to guess who the person is. Eyes kind of say it all. All right, that quickly brings us to the end of the Aankhein round. And
you want to do the scores?
Oh yeah, let's do it. Oops.
All right.
Yeah.
Scores are.
Sorry, I cannot pause the music, so. Okay.
All right, I'll quickly do the scores, Arun.
Yeah,
Ekta 4, Puneet 2, Swati 0, Ashok -1, Germany -1, Sachin 5.
Great. Awesome.
There's still 2 more rounds.
Yes.
Anyone's game.
Yep. Okay, so this is the ABCD round. So this is the round that I was talking about before. You would see the abbreviation of a movie and you would have to guess what movie it is. All right. I was having a brain freeze at that time, but it's all back to normal now. All right. Question number 1 coming up on your screen.
Ashok.
अमर आई प्यार के.
एकदम सही. Good job, Ashok. You must be like saying in your mind all the time till now ki apna time aayega. I think your time has come. Yep. All right. Question number 2.
Swati.
हमारा दिल आपके पास है.
Ekdam. Wonderful. That is correct. Great answer. It's a code, right? If it's H, it's hum. It's D. If it's D, it's dil. So yeah, you can kind of decode that with Bollywood movies. All right. Question number 3.
Swati.
Son of Sardar.
Ekdam sahi. Looks like each participant has their own specialty in this game today, Amita.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So, all right. Okay. Moving on to question number 4.
Sachin.
मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ.
एकदम सही, एकदम सही.
Yeah. Last moment pe you pulled it out.
Yeah. Good save, Sachin. Good save. Yeah. All right. Question number 5.
Neat.
ये दिल है हिंदुस्तानी.
एकदम सही. हम सबका दिल हिंदुस्तानी ही है. So that is the answer. Question number 6.
Swati.
चोरी चुपके.
एकदम सही. You're back, Swati. All right. Next one. The last question of this round coming up here.
Sachin. Next is Ekta.
आगे की बारात.
क्या?
No. This is not.
Oh. Can we try it again? Sorry.
No, I know.
Next is Puneet.
बम बम बोले.
बम बम बोले करके एक मूवी है क्या?
हाँ जी, बम बम बोले.
मतलब हाँ, टेक्निकली मुझे आपको देना पड़ेगा आंसर, क्योंकि अगर मूवी है तो है, मतलब but that's not the one I had in mind. But yeah, you cannot say that your answer is wrong. If there is a movie called Bam Bam Bole, I'm sorry.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Okay.
There is. Okay.
Yes. So so yeah, we have to give them the point, but the answer I had in mind.
Band Baja Barat.
Band Baja Barat.
Band Baja Barat. Yeah.
Song, I think so. Band Baja Barat.
Bam Bam Bole is movie.
Bam Bam Bole is movie.
Yes.
Bam Bam Bole is the 2010 movie.
Darshil Safari.
Yeah, that is a movie. Bam Bam.
Okay. Okay.
Got it.
Great. We were able to fact check also. So wonderful. Good going, Amita. Thank you. All right. So yeah. All right. So that brings us to the end of round 4, and we head into the final round.
Before you start, scores.
Okay.
All right. So it's very close, guys. Ekta 3, Puneet 4, Swati 3, Ashok 0, Gemini -1, Sachin 5. There are 7 questions in the last round. It is still anyone's game.
Yeah. And the only dialogue that comes to my mind is Shah Rukh's, where he says, "Keval 7 question hai aapke paas." Okay.
So on the last question of the last round, Ekta got the point, right?
नहीं, एकता के बाद मैंने
नहीं, Ekta did not get it. Puneet got it for Bam Bam Bole, right?
Bam Bam Bole, Ekta said it, right?
Achha.
Yeah, I said Bam Bam.
I buzzed first. I think so.
I had it as Puneet, who was the first buzzer. The first buzzer was Sachin, who got it wrong. Second was Ekta. But Ekta, did you say Bam Bam Bole? I didn't know.
First, Anand said a movie name, and then I immediately said Bam Bam Bole.
Okay, so Arun, it's all on you. I gave a -1 to Ekta. So
okay. मैंने मतलब उसीलिए पहले ही बोल दिया था सेफली कि आपका डिसीजन फाइनल होगा.
Okay, so Ekta, your first answer was, what did you say it was?
I think I said Baake Ki Barat, but when I was saying this, I said, no, that is not right. And then Ekta said Bam Bam Bole.
I know. I'm sorry to say, Arun had said that your first answer is the right is the answer we will consider.
And not the one guess?
Not the one guess.
Yeah.
Okay. So we would have to stick with what we have over here, because your first answer was right. Then it went to Puneet, who said Bam Bam Bole. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you say the second one, but still, this is the first one was wrong.
I think we both said the same time, Ekta and me, the same thing.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay, guys. Yeah, we still have 7. आपके पास 7 क्वेश्चन है. You know, तो मतलब एक चीज है, yeah, if you get your turn, just one guess, and definitely don't you know, blurt the answer unless it's your turn. All right. Okay. All right.
Arun, since there is this contest on that, is it okay if you say we don't do -1, but we don't give a point?
हाँ, ठीक है.
Okay. I'll do it that. Ekta, okay. No -1, but you won't get a point for your answer. So the scores now are Ekta and Puneet, they're both at 4.
अच्छा, तो इसीलिए ये सब चल रहा है. Okay.
That's good. Swati is at 3. Ashok is at 0. Gemini -1. Sachin is at 5. Very, very close.
All right.
Okay, for the next round, please.
Yeah, I think that was a good call.
Yes, the first answer, if it's wrong, we will consider that wrong.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, good call, Amita. Thank you. All right.
Buzz दिखा रहा है मेरे को. Buzzer clean नहीं किया.
Okay.
It's not
Thank
clean.
you. Thanks for the reminder.
No worries.
Here.
Thank you. And
बेबी को बेस पसंद है. बेबी को बेस पसंद है.
Okay. तो ये राउंड है, मतलब या गाने का और राउंड का उतना कुछ खास संबंध नहीं है. बेसिकली आप देखेंगे एक वीडियो क्लिप जिसमें ऑडियो ऑफ रहेगा, तो आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि कौन सा गाना है और कौन सी मूवी है. So both are important. You have to guess both, and you know, hopefully there's no confusion, and we'll head into the final round just now. Okay, question 1 coming up.
Ekta.
Pani pani re from the movie. Pani
pani re. No, I think I should let you sing. Yeah, you got it right.
Yeah, I was about to say that from the movie Matches, Pani Pani Re.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay. Question number 2.
Ekta.
Yeah, it's एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, and from the movie 1942, A Love Story.
I'm really sorry, Ekta. आपका guess गलत रहा.
Next is Sachin.
The movie is Pardes, and
नहीं आप sorry निधि, आपका भी guess गलत निकला.
Next is Puneet.
1942 A Love Story, and the song is दिल ने कहा चुपके से.
एकदम wonderful. दिल ने कहा चुपके से या प्यार हुआ चुपके से, जो भी हुआ, मतलब answer was right. Okay. Is it really दिल ने कहा चुपके से? Anyway, I'll figure it out.
दिल ने कहा चुपके से, प्यार हुआ चुपके से.
Okay. All right.
I'm not even a bathroom singer.
No, that was good. All right. Awesome. Question number 3.
Puneet.
इसे डिस्को में जाएं, बड़े मियां छोटे मियां.
सही है, एकदम सही.
किस डिस्को में जाएं.
All right. Hopefully some of you will
love this song.
Hopefully some of you will go back and kind of tune into these old songs. You know, we often forget about them, but they've been part of our lives. However silly they are. All right, moving on to question number 4.
Swati.
राहों में उनसे मुलाकात हो गई. Song is right.
राह में उनसे.
एकदम सही जवाब. आपने मूवी का भी नाम बोला? I'm sorry.
इससे पहले मूवी ब्लिंक हो गई उसके ऊपर.
Oh, okay. My bad. I'll give it to you. I think. I'm guessing you would have known that. So, yeah. Sorry about that. Question number 5. Once again, guys, 3 more questions to go.
Gemini.
नीला दुपट्टा पीला सूट हमेशा.
Wonderful. Okay. Great. All right. Question number 6. Any guesses so far?
Ekta.
Yeah.
Ekta.
बता दीजिए एकता, नहीं तो फिर -1 आ जाएगा आपको.
Yeah. This is Shah Rukh Khan.
आगे.
I forgot.
There is no other buzzed player, so I'll give you time, Ekta.
आपको रानी मुखर्जी भी दिख गई यहाँ पे, तो मतलब आसान होना चाहिए.
Can we guess the movie name?
कर
Do you want to
लीजिए.
buzz?
Buzz it, Sachin.
You know the movie.
Okay, next is Ekta -1. Next is Sachin.
Sorry.
I don't know the song.
Chupke Chupke.
Chupke.
नहीं. Sorry, I'm really sorry.
Any other buzz? Okay, Gemini buzzed. Hold on.
कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
हाँ, तो गाना बताइए.
एक के दिन.
Okay. I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Okay, I guess no one gets the answer, right, Amita?
Is the movie right?
Yeah, movie is right. Yes, yes.
So we give 1 point.
I think Tauba tumhare ishare. I got it now.
नहीं वो चुपके
नहीं वो चुपके चुपके that is चुपके चुपके that is
yeah
not
this is Amita I don't think हमें point देना चाहिए क्योंकि
okay 0
Ghana,
no point but no negative.
No negative. Ghana is definitely the more important one. So
yeah okay.
This is the song, guys.
तुम्हें देखो ना ये क्या हो गया.
Okay, so hopefully now it has come back to all your consciousness. Looks like no one is a lip reader here. So all right.
Last
okay.
question.
The last question, do or die. So this could be either the last question could either be Chetan Sharma's full toss or Bumrah's Yorker. We'll find out coming up right now.
Ekta.
सारा जमाना हसीनों का दीवाना.
एकदम सही.
बुरा है दिल लगाना है सारा जमाना.
All right.
Awesome.
That brings us to the end of the quiz. Yeah, Amita, all yours.
Puneet, the game is on.
Great job. Okay, so here are the scores. Ashok 0, Gemini 0, Sachin 3, Swati 4, Ekta 5, and the winner is Puneet with 6 points.
Awesome, awesome.
So close.
A special dedication for you. There you go, Puneet. You're the second.
Thank you.
Puneet, you will get a medal, an ISW medal for winning.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. That means
For
a lot.
winning the Bollywood quiz. I forgot to mention that during the previous session. I will reach out to the winner and she will also get a medal. So awesome job, guys. Please stay here. We want to take a screenshot of everyone. All right, ready? And where is Ekta? I don't see Ekta. Oh, here she is. All right. Let me take a quick screenshot, everyone. This is not my laptop. This is my husband's laptop, so I take a little while. Puneet, can you take a screenshot?
All right.
I took it. Yeah,
All right.
I took it.
All right. Thank
Okay.
you.
This
Thank
was
you.
fun. Hope you all had fun. Have a good day, everybody.
It was awesome. Thank you, Arun, for organizing. Thank you, everyone, for participating. This can't be a successful event without our participants.
It was fun.
Great job.
Yeah, this was fun.